Enugu is a big, amazing, and simple city with lots of interesting things to do and awesome places to visit. When it comes to beautiful neighborhoods, also considering the cost of living, security, serenity, and other factors, there is no doubt that Enugu State is the place to look out for. It's your girl Abby of Southeast, and in today's video I will take you on a journey through the top 5 estates that represent elegance, comfort, and modern living in Enugu State, Nigeria. Number 5 on our list is Crystal Court Estate. As you can see in this video, there is massive progress in this estate, and I can tell you confidently that it's about 80% finished. Look at how beautiful the houses are and how quickly they are springing up too. The road network has been fully completed with good drainage system. Well, this estate is quite small, that I can say, but this also means it is easier to secure. Coming in at number 4 is Fidelity Estate. Fidelity Estate is located at GRA Enugu and is fully developed and has its own transformer supplying it with nearly 24 hours electricity. The estate is very serene with its own estate security, and it would interest you to know that quite a number of prominent people live here. My third pick is Liberty Estate. The beauty of this place is that it's situated in the center of town, giving you access to so many other places. And as you can see, the estate is well maintained and very neat. Also, the Rangers camp is in this estate. It is a little stadium strictly for Rangers players. You can see some players on the pitch. Next up at number 2 is WTC Estate, a testament to luxury living in Enugu. WTC Estate is definitely one of the best planned estates in Enugu, and there are so many beautiful houses in this estate and an even better internal road network system. And finally, Claiming the top spot is Zoo Estate. This prestigious estate sets the standard for luxury living. Zoo Estate is probably the most expensive estate in Enugu, and it's located in the heart of town. The estate is now called Enugu Estate and is fully developed and has its own transformer to supply constant electricity. One funny fact is that the streets in this estate are named after animals. So you have streets like Zebra Street, Frog Street, Giraffe Street, Penguin Street, amongst many others. Enugu State's top 5 estates showcase the very best of luxury and comfort. Whether you are seeking a dream home or an investment opportunity in Enugu, this estate should be considered if you're big on elegance and style. Now, let me ask, which of this estate have you been to and which of them is your best? I would really like to know in the comment section. I also hope you enjoyed watching this video. Until next time, see you in my next video. Bye!